Frustrated residents of Ward 127 took to the streets earlier today to protest against the lack of housing. Now, the march organized by the South African National Civic Organization included residents from Leratong, Durban Deep and Solplaki. They expressed their dissatisfaction with living in shacks while development projects prioritize people from distant areas. Additionally, residents voiced concerns about crime, claiming that they live in fear due to the presence of illegal miners in the area.
Bathi bakhathele ukunganakwa abahlali baku-Ward 127 njengoba sekunesikhathi eside bekhala ngokuswela izindlu. Namhlanje babambe imashi endaweni yase-Roodepoort ukuzwakalisa izikhalazo zabo. Okhulumela iSANCO kule wadi uyachaza.
Abantu abahlala emkhukhwini la eWard 127 kune mega project on progress njoba sithetha, so abantu bakhalela ukuthi ba-allocate to that mega project so that bazokwazi ukuthi ba-benefit. Currently abantu abahlala kule kwezazindlu i-community has inotisile ukuthi kuhlala abantu abangamaphoyisa, abangama-nurse, people abasebenzela ugovernment.
Kusenjalo abahlali balandise kanjena ngosizo ababhekana nalo ezindaweni ezahlukene zokuhlala.
I'm one of from Solplaki. We are having a problem in that human settlement. Ne? Imikhukhu yaphayana iyawela. Abantu bahleli ku risk. Kunamazamazamazi lapha always ayagubha lapha ngaphansi. And there's no one who have taken an initiative ukuthi beze bazosimamela. Since kusibhalise izindlu eSolplaki, no one come to us azosimamela ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Izindlu lezo sifunayo i-housing ifailile ukuthi isinikezele izindlu. Ngani i-housing siyakhuluma nawo and kunabantu abadayisa izindlu khona lapha elokhuzini abantu base-housing. Manje socela ukuthi na i-premier ingenelele kulolu daba lethu ngoba lunzima kakhulu ngoba masithi siyakhuluma namakhansela siyakhuluma ne-MEC ke yafika yasithembisa ukuthi na izozama ukuthi yenze njani isolve le problem kodwa sibona isikhathi siyahamba.
Le mashi ebihlelwe yiSANCO iphelele esiteshini samaphoyisa se-Roodepoort nokuyilapho okunikezwe khona uhlu lwezikhalazo kuze liyofika ehhovisi likandunankulu esifundazwe saseGoli. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngise-Roodepoort.